In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Pocket Edition with friends offline. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option of playing Minecraft Pocket Edition with another friend if you are offline, meaning that you don't have access to an active internet connection. While it is possible for you to do this, there are going to be some limiting factors. So playing Minecraft Pocket Editions with friends primarily relies on LAN multiplayer, so local area network. Whenever people refer to LAN, it means that you and a friend are on the same network, and while both of you are connected to the same network, you will be able to share the same world and play together. So what you have to do is connect to the same network even if it doesn't have an active internet connection. But because you don't have access to a setup Wi-Fi network, the workaround becomes using a hotspot. So the host of the world has to create a hotspot. This is sort of a temporary Wi-Fi network, and it should work to get both of you in the same app together. It is recommended to use mobile data. I cannot guarantee that this process will work without mobile data. I apologize if you wanted to play with your friends completely offline, but to my knowledge, I'm not sure if that is 100% possible. If you are able to make a hotspot and enable mobile data, your friend will be able to turn on their Wi-Fi and find the mobile hotspot that you created. As I've said before, don't worry, we will only be using this temporarily. With the hotspot created, once your friend has been connected into it, the host will go ahead and choose the option to play. Create a new world and make sure that multiplayer is enabled. Now, the person who will be joining can go over to play, and instead of going over to their worlds, switch over to the Friends tab at the right side, aka the middle of the screen here. Immediately upon choosing Friends, you will see the LAN game listed here, so the local area network multiplayer map that I mentioned. Now the map will be available and they will be able to join right away. After you join, you can try disabling mobile data and you should still be able to play multiplayer. But to set it up initially, you will either need a temporary Wi-Fi network or a hotspot. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Pocket Edition with friends offline. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.